Yes, good night. As you can see, it's night time. And this is what we have here tonight. Now we might ask where getting the nice light from. Yeah, the air. M12. I don't know if you could see it. So we have some products again tonight that we're looking to unbox. And we're going to have a little shadow in it. And you know you're not going to get a full review because I'm no electrical tool tech man or whatever. But I'm just going to show you what's on the box, what's in the box. And maybe down the line you'll see some sort of work taking place with the tool in other videos. So this is what we have here. We have another M18 fluid. It's a multi-tool, some will call it. The number C is 2836-20. Yeah, look like that. See, I know it's bad lighting and other stuff, but you need to take it. Oh, you get it. Because this is not no nice table and you know the whole settings with special lights and camera and filter and mic and all kind of thing. Look over here. Huh? A whole paint bucket, whole primer bucket cut in half with a set of old stuff in it. This here piece of cardboard, set of old piece of pipe, a piece of wood, and of course the best bag, the total. So yes, my voice may be sounding a little funny, but this is what we have here. We have these 3 items here, so we're going to work one by one. We're going to work first with the drill bit. I think there's a 1/4 inch, you see it there? Make sure, 1/4. So what we're doing with this this bit here, of course, concrete. So I have a Hilti, which is cord, and it's a little bulky carrying around sometimes. So 90% of the time I put on the little plugs on them with a simple drill, and yep, I'm killing it. It's M12, understand, brushless, and I use this to bore holes to put in clamps and other stuff, like for this green plug. So I use this for the green plug. So the other bits I had, they run dull. I recognized that it wasn't cut in properly, and I was thinking that it may have been the tool itself, how I jam in it. And thinking, well, yeah, the hammer in it going bad, until I put a bigger bit and I recognized the bit was new, and the thing just bore. The one for the blue plug, that thing just bore. Easy, zip. So I went to the store and I collected one in this. So I was looking for one of the best. Of course, you know, to check out the Milwaukee. I didn't see Diablo. I would have taken a Diablo. Because I heard that is one of the top bits. Hold on there. Bam. And that's that. So the nice thing I like about this bit, other than it have this nice red color. See it? Yes, is that it don't only hold inside of the chuck of this drill, but it's also compatible with this one here. So say the battery life in this, so let the battery life go in this, of course I will use this battery. But just to say that this downstairs, because I carry this majority of the time, and this one downstairs, I could try and use this. Try and use this to cut concrete. And if you watch the bit, this bit sharp. This, I don't know if you could see it, eh? You could swear this bit is a steel bit. The thing sharp. Real sharp, boy. Gosh. Wow. Well, anyway, so that is one item. So let's move on again. Of course, these also are cutters. I don't know if that's called this bits too, with blades. These will be blades. So you call this bit, and this will be blades. So these are the blades to go with this tool. And this is the multi-tool. And everyone, I wouldn't want to say everyone should know about it, not many people don't know about it. I had one before, which was a Rockwell. That Rockwell, wow, being introduced to the multi-tool with that Rockwell, although the batteries are dying two tools, as soon as you put it on, there's the battery dead. That thing was sweet. That thing was good, boy. That thing was good. But anyway, we're going with the new one now. The Rockwell went through, the battery went through. I was unable to locate a battery online. I ended up trying to modify it with a Milwaukee battery, and I hook up the wires wrong and blowed it. That was the end of Mr. Rockwell after so many years. So I was just hunting, don't know what to buy. Of course I know how to go red, but couldn't afford my #1 brand, which is Hilti. So I will go to the red, black and white again. The underdog, which is the Milwaukee. Top line, top quality. All my Milwaukee for years, lasting just as long as my Hilti. As I said, just as long, not as long. It can't take the beating of the Hilti tools, but it's close, understand? So I think all these are like this, and maybe DeWalt and Kita and whoever else makes other stuff, all of them good. Everybody have their people. But the DeWalt people, I like DeWalt, but when you don't start running it red, I think some of them may just stay red because they have the platform for it. If it have a converter that I can bring down online to use the same batteries, then I will buy a DeWalt, because I like some of the DeWalt tools, because I find they are more durable, more for construction. They could take jamming, they could take this. Milwaukee can't take the kind of abuse I see some of my friends that's put DeWalt through, boy. Nah, man, leaving thing out in rain, thing falling down, thing dusty. But 90% of them men who do drywall and them thing, they just use DeWalt. Well, where I come from. Right, so we don't take too long with this. I out here, sandfly biting me, and I going and open what it is I got. So there's how it is there. You know, I'm a big fancy thing, and yeah, nice light box and nothing in there. So that's one. So yes, of course, you know, nearly every one I take out, it always have this booklet, and of course the booklet will show you a whole heap of other tools. I don't think it show you all the tools, but a lot of tools it will show you that you could purchase either running under the M12 or the M18, and this is a lot. I need to go through this because I need a change in my vacuum. I want to leave the big boy home and just carry a small vac for the small work. At my light, my M12 light, I want to upgrade it to M18 for more life. And okay, that's my stuff. Let me tell you where it is coming. But once health and strength, I telling you, things coming. You all have a lot to see. So we're going to go through all this. Put that aside. Now, in this kit now, maybe this is what? Maybe this is the manual for it. And I'm going to tell you for battery day, there's the name of that. I don't want to know the name of nothing because I'm not repairing nothing. And all I know is to put the battery inside and start it up. So, there we go here. So we have a sanding, I'll call it a sanding pad. Understand? Or holder, or whatever. But this is one of the sanding pads. So it comes with some sandpaper-like material, one here, and there are different grades, some finer than some. So according to what it is, either sand, wood or whatever, this will work good on it. Alright, and this side is like a Velcro. So this side have a kind of clothy finish, so when I go onto it like this, see, it already come off, and you can do whatever you have to do. Don't know if I'm going to do much sanding, but I know sanding is going to come around. Believe me, it's going to come around. So this is all the sanding. Now I'll say you're not going to get it like the professional way as I usually do it. So that there, and I also got this blade here, which is a wood blade. Here, if you watch, let's see if I turn it. Alright, there's a wood. So, hold on. Here, a wood. And, alright, making sure. So you have the wood blade. So everything in this is for wood. So I decided to buy some more blades, which is metal. So I got 3 blades here. I get a carbide teeth blade, or maybe all of them is carbide, who knows? All of them looking the same. And then the side in the back here, if you can see, or they show it in the back. Right there, let's see if I can get it good. Showing in the back where this first blade, right, focus now. Well, anyway, it is multi-purpose, and the other one is whatever it is. But just remember, you get 3 blades, and they're showing you here that the first one and the third one is actually the same cutting of 4. Just spread it out to make it look good. So the first one is looking like wood, looking like a piece of copper pipe, PVC pipe, and some maybe gypsum or something. Same thing with this one here, like a all purpose. And the real beast here doing nails. You see the wood and you see the nails, and you see all kind of different window frame and all kind of things. So this one doing a lot of stuff. I don't know if it could do stone. I don't know what this this thing, or what, I don't know what that is. So I think I want to take a little more reading on it. If you want to know anything more about it, you can look up online and you will see, check this code for Milwaukee, and this will show you this package and give you a more description and more information on what it's really about and what it's for. But all I know is 3 blades, and you can cut, some can cut nails, some can cut wood and other stuff. So it's not just like this wood blade, these is multi-purpose blades. Let me see what's it up there. Open, 3 in a pack, multi-material blades, variety pack. See this there, carbon teeth. So the teeth on them and the blades are carbon, but they serve different purposes. As the one in the back is a wider one, there's a narrow, it's finer teeth. And but this one looking like the one where just cut stone, you know. I feel like I cut stone. Yeah. Might check it out. These is my for wood, and this one is for the stone. I've seen it. That is the one for the stone. So I want to believe that that picture that I have there, that I'm not seeing to get through the phone, and my eyes not picking up too well, is somehow something is a block. This looks like tile. This is tile and one is stone. Anyway, don't worry about that. I'm not going to open this and have it all over the place. I'm going to put it aside with everybody else here. And I'm going to take this out of the pack. So with my little reviews that I did, they said it's one of the best of the best. One of the best of the best. I thought that this switch was underneath here. Why not underneath here? The switch is on top. So there's on, there's off. Easy as that, on, off. There's no press here and hold it down. Now if you watch it, it's similar size with the grinder. You know, they have the grinders, the angle grinder, similar to it. So this is, it would look kind of bulky, especially when you put on the battery. Well, these are massive batteries, it's not ready for this. But when you put on a battery like this thing will weigh a ton. So the battery goes in there, and that's it thing. Now, the nice thing about this here, see this knob here? That's for the quick release. Understand? So, this here is how it is. Quick release. So the days are gone when you have to unscrew here, and screw it up, and then you have a tool. So I think you just put it somehow like that, quick release, and it goes in, blah 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 blah. So let me see if I see it's only 1.5. So let me see how it is. You raise up this. Right. Now, bear with me. Because I can't do this one by. So, I see. So, it is. Carry this back down there. You tighten it too tight, and you pull this, and now is it there. Now is it there now? It'll lock in place. That is it there. It'll lock in place. You pull it up like that, drop it back down, it'll locked. Now is the one for the wood. Now I'm going to put on the battery now. Now it's only 1.5. But let me see this one of this. Alright. There's one there. So those ones for the battery going in. Move my fingers. I am sure this. Let me take it off. So there's the part for the battery. 4 pins. There's the old dirty battery that actually used, not like some people who have the tools stuck up on shelves in other videos. These things actually being used. Push it in there. Bam. He done saying, hey, I'm a big man in the business, you know. I turn on, you know. This look like one of those spaceship in those movies, and then Return of the Jedi. Anyway, back to what we're dealing with. So there's a big tool here. You actually have variable speeds, so different speed levels it could go at. So we seeing from 2, 3, 4, 6. So you're going on by 2s. 8, 10, and then have A. A is where the tool takes over for itself. So on startup, when you start up, it starts off vibrating slow, and when you get into it, it speeds up for itself. So when you put on the tool, when you go into the material, say it's like this piece of material, when you go into the material, it will start off slow, so you don't beat up all over the place, and then it speeds up for itself. It actually read somehow inside it picks up that it have a force or a resistance against the blade, and it speeds up and put more power, so you get a nice slow start into speed. The other speeds go direct to the speed. So listen to this. So fast, according to what it is a cutting, it's according to what speed you do that. But you hear how fast 10 was, but you hear how fast A was for automatic. Slow. But if I put it on that, it will speed up straight up to 10. So there's it here. And as I say, this looks like one of the spaceship, like maybe from Aliens or one of them kind of shoes. Feels real nice, real comfortable. This piece in front here, this blade could also go at any angle, go at this angle, that angle. I don't think it makes sense cutting anything is facing this angle. But who knows, something you might come up to that you have to put it in a direction. You tell me. So there's it here, a multi-tool. I'm going to do a demonstration of it. I will leave it in E, and let me see how we'll cut this in. Now we're going to make some noise. I'll check it out. Let me see. Gosh, hey, shadow, the shadow. That making sense? Uh-huh. Thank God I cut it so. But then nobody holding it. So how that going to work? You see? That's it. You hear that? Wow. Oh. I'm going to try something dangerous. Put in my leg here. Watch it there. Watch. That thing nearly cut through, you know. Look at the depth of that now. I just touched that, and look, that nearly, boy, that thing nearly went through. Look at that depth, nearly go straight through. And I just touched that with this blade here. Well, of course, all you know, I ain't going to use my blades here to demonstrate nothing. I'll tell all you nothing. Yeah, I don't have to know that this blade could cut stone, this one here. Now, these are the blades from the old, I don't know if you can see there. Oh, look at it. Rockwell I had. I have other blades for the Rockwell, but I don't know which way it is. And then again, I can't beat up on it right now. When you're looking for it, you will find it. Now, I don't know if it is, if this blade can fit on this. I don't know. I want to try. No, this is a quick release blade, so it have the opening. So, let me see. Right. Oops, it endorses it. And actually, right, let's zip it up. We back here, so slack. Take all that, as easy as that. And well, need to know if this one could fit. Now the regular blades, some of the regular blades could work, and this is how we're gonna work. You need to take all this screw straight out. So I don't want to get no dust. Yeah. You're a liar. Right, and I go and see if this could fit. But then again, how would it? I don't know how it does fit. No, I don't think this is for this. But this could fit. Right? How this does fit. I have no idea. Funny. Anyway, put this here. Put this here. Hey, but look how tight I get. The thing get real tight. Oh. Oh. Oh, I've gone in before. Yeah, that's some sort of something there that it's actually fitting in. Yeah, it's fitting. Right, so these little holes here that goes around here as a couple, those mesh with these little pins here. So mesh with these little pins, and you wouldn't believe these silver looking stuff are magnets. That actually holds this blade. See? Look. Magnet. Yeah, so these blades with these openings will work. This will not. Yeah, these will not. No matter how the magnet hold it, but if it will shake. Inside there some kind of thingamajig, you know. It's inside there. Well, anyway, we'll kill ourselves with that. Put back this. Yeah, kind of under the weather. You hear me kind of sniffling and coughing and sneezing. Kind of under the weather. No fever, no thing. There's just throat thing, and if all that dust are pulling and cutting in. So anyway, this is the boy here. You saw him perform already, quick as he would. Maybe you'll see him in the future in operation. But for now, yeah, for now we good. And I have these 4 blades to start with, plus these here, and put all them in the pack. This is not needed. And you can start working one time. There are no playing. It's time to work one time. See, battery of the reader of all strokes. So one battery for this, other batteries for whatever. Now let's go back to the bit. Now to do this with one hand. There's a quick release chuck. So one hand can take out this chuck, push it inside here. Alright, and tighten it. Here. Tighten there, one thing. Alright, make sure on top here it goes into hammer mode and there's one there. Now let's see. Well, more or less it might break this way. I don't know if this it might break it, but you see how we're going on with it here. Look at that. As easy as that. As easy as that. Go straight through and I force it a little. Just a little. No kind of pushing nothing. Was it a break on the back? Just leave it like that roll and he just cut what you had to do. He just did what he had to do. See there? He just did what he have to do. Easy, easy. I don't want to cut 2-3 times with it. You don't get the point already. Let's go to the tool. Trying best to work it with one. Bam. Easy as that. And put it in here. And then you have to put this in drill. Let's have a drill mode. See there? And drill mode. Let's put in drill. Put it on top there. Look at that. So you see, you just have to spend your money. The times for headache and them kind of thing are all over. See them cheap thing, sometimes you want to buy a whole pack with about 300 bits and all just working the same way, like if all dull from beginning. Get out of that. Come down from it with that stupidness. Spend your money. Buy proper things that make your work easier. You tell me I take a drill, a normal drill, and cut that. A normal drill, and I cut a hole like that. Watch it there. Go watch it there. Spend your money here, people. So there's a little tool review and other stuff that I have on the market that everyone feel that he should invest into something new, invest into something good. Spend your money. Sometimes you don't have the opportunities like some, and you have to buy the cheaper stuff for the time being. You buy it and you step up. When it make the money, you step up. Just remember, tools are not there for style and for showing off, but for work-wise. Sometimes for the whole year you use that tool. You just have one time you get to use it, and it takes away so much headache by just having that one tool. Yeah, so much headache. If you didn't have it, you couldn't do it now. You don't know what you would have do. The work would just be complicated. So I have these tools. I make sure I use my tools. My tools are always dirty. Got this one here. See the condition is work. The condition is one is work. Batteries on this work. You see it's on a full battery. Alright. Yes, this is alright. Right. So you see there's 2 strokes. Yeah, it's on a full battery. Well, he looking like 3 or full strokes. Yeah. This I just use this. I'll use this right now on the diamond. I have a diamond one. I want to get that too. this stewy thing. The cheap stuff, not cheap, but it working. It's working. And these little M12, look man, I just use this boy. Yeah, I just use my tools. I don't want to keep on it too long. Reminiscing on my tools. Looking forward to influencing somebody to buy something. Don't want to be the best of the best. But if you could spend and get the best, buy it. Just remember something when you buy the best, the time it may take you if you don't have much work to do work, pay off for that tool and start to make money, it takes very long. So it's better that sometimes you start off with the cheap stuff, with a total in this, which is like quarter the price or less. 9/4 by a fraction of the price of this. And that doing the work too. Understand? Makes your life easier. When it burn out, some people say, well, boy, they will just buy a next one. Well, they prefer that. I don't like no tool burning out of me while I'm doing work. I want to do 100 jobs and I running smooth. I don't want to do 20 jobs and then I shut down and I have to look, run helter-skelter to get something. No, I like to do it one after the other. By the time that I look to shut down, well, boy, I used to laughing at that. But what? But also you have other cheaper tools that does last real long. I have some total stuff that, yeah, it going. Other than my tool bag, well, I really be that tool bag, yeah. Yeah, really be that tool bag. Yeah. Yeah, that's the tool bag. I be that. It busts up all here. It mash up. It busts up and it's still going, you know. All the pockets on the outside, minus this pocket have a big hole here. Everybody is going. All them with all the glue and thing and Sharpie and electrical screwdrivers. And so this have them inside the way. Oh, you see? Loctite inside here. Lighter. All my stuff here. This thing is a real best bag. All my thread seal. No, with the 40. Still extra electrical tips supposed to be here. Thing. Yeah, but two people that be watching me on the work. I want to know, is you with that bike? Is that for bike? I've not even seen it. Yes. I wonder who could tell me what this is. This is in the Caribbean. So, I wonder who could tell me why did I have this? But it works. It works. So, this is the technician out. Remember, we're down here doing it just as big as out there. Peace out.